Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So, we're checking out the DeLonghi Eletta, right? The ECAM 44660B model. It's a fully automatic espresso machine, but it's listed as renewed on Amazon.
And I'm looking at the Nespresso Gran Lattissima, also by DeLonghi, in sophisticated black. Model number 0FC23FF0 to 206F49 DD9144 A9E47756487A. It comes with a milk frother, which is key for me.
Okay, seems like we're both diving into the world of convenient coffee, but with slightly different approaches. Exactly. The Eletta boasts that it can make cappuccinos, lattes, and even just hot milk with one touch, thanks to its patented Latte Crema system. Pretty fancy for a renewed machine, right?
The Lattissima also aims for that one-touch simplicity, focusing on espresso drinks using Nespresso Original Line capsules. How many cups can yours brew at once? Because mine is strictly single serve.
This one can brew 2 cups of coffee in a single cycle. Great for couples or when you need a double shot. Plus, it can use either coffee beans or ground coffee. What about the Lattissima?
Nice! The Lattissima brews a single serving of 1.35 ounces. So it's more of a personal espresso maker. It comes with a variety pack of Nespresso capsules to get you started. What about grind settings on yours?
The Eletta has a built-in grinder with 13 adjustable settings, so you can really dial in your coffee, from coarse to super fine. It even has a bypass doser if you want to use pre-ground coffee sometimes.
The Lattissima uses Nespresso capsules. No grinding needed, which is super convenient. But you're locked into the Nespresso ecosystem, which some people don't love. It depends if you want freshly ground and customizable, or just quick and easy capsule convenience.
True. Cleaning is a breeze with the Eletta. It has automatic cleaning and descaling programs, and all the removable parts are dishwasher safe. That's a huge plus for me.
The Lattissima is also designed for easy cleaning. The milk container is dishwasher safe, and the machine prompts you when it's time to clean. Pretty straightforward.
My machine has a double boiler system and electronic temperature control. Sounds pretty high-tech, right? It also has a 15-bar pump pressure. Does the Lattissima have similar specs?
This Nespresso espresso maker comes with a milk frother, and it focuses on delivering consistent espresso drinks with the push of a button. It's less about the tech specs and more about the ease of use.
They both seem to prioritize convenience and ease of use, but in different ways.
The Eletta includes a measuring spoon, water testing strip, descaler, and a milk tank. It's a whole package for getting started with bean-to-cup espresso.
The Lattissima focuses on capsule-based espresso drinks, offering a variety pack of flavors. It's all about that consistent Nespresso taste and minimal fuss.
It sounds like the Eletta is a more involved bean-to-cup experience, where you have more control over the brewing process, while the Lattissima is built for speed and simplicity using pods. If you value convenience above all else, the Nespresso might be the better choice. But if you're a coffee purist, the Eletta could be more appealing, even as a renewed model.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.